Also, I didn't record the other server that was hacked. This isn't fake. I can have more proof, if you guys ask. This is the other server I joined. As you can see, it looks normal and doesn't look hacked, and it's completely different. It's a wall hop game. If you want to see this for yourselves, it's called Koluv Wall Hop Tower. BTW, there's a bonus showing you me playing the game. This happened for 38 May 11th, 2025.